Simone, you cut up James's toast for him and put his beans on the toast. Then, and cut up his hash brown and his sausage.
No, that one.
Yeah.
Daddy.
You don't want the bacon?
No, that.
I have the bacon.
Put it on your plate, Simone.
Thank you, Simone. Thank you, Shama. Thank you, Shama.
Yeah.
No problem.
No problem.
No problem. Thank you.
My pleasure, James.
Thank you.
Good girl, Simone.
Well done, Simone.
Nice breakfast, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, Simone. It's time to go in a minute. You got the tram.
Breakfast first.
No, but I planned my tablet first.
Breakfast first, then tablet, and then tram.
After my tablet.
Okay, James.
It might even be on. It might even.
Come on, say okay to
Hey,
James.
James.
Yeah.
No problem. Are you going to watch some trams through the window first, James?
Trams through the window first.
While you watch your tablet,
You
James.
watch the tablet.
After.
Okay.
Okay.
Where you got on the tram? You got on the tram.
Yeah, later.
Where's the buses? Where is it? Daddy, where is it?
Tram first, and the tram goes to the buses
And where's the buses going to?
for a ride.
Then they're coming back in a minute.
Yes.
Then they come back in a minute.
Yeah. Tell James the buses go for a
The
ride,
buses go for a ride.
Right.
and then we come back in a
Then
minute,
we come back in a minute.
and then James can watch some more trams,
James can watch some more trams.
and you can watch the buses through the
You
window
can watch the buses
while
through
you
the
watch your
window.
tablet,
While you watch your tablet.
and then later,
Yeah.
Later.
Yeah.
careful with the sausage, man.
Careful the sausage.
And later we go on some more trams and
Later,
buses.
go on some more trams and
Yeah.
buses.
Where's some more tram? There's some more buses. You get on the tram. There's some more buses. You get on the buses.
Yes, James. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Sounds like a plan. My daddy's breakfast.
Oh, the cup of my drink.
You like your choco pop, Si?
Yes.
Lovely.
Not trying to push it.
That's it. You push it forward, Si. Good boy, good boy.
That's it, Kai. That's it. That's it, Kai. That's it. That's my toe.
Yeah. Well, you eat this one first, and if you're still hungry, you can have one more, James. Is that all right? Is
Yeah.
that all right, James?
That's mine, toes. That's
Yeah.
mine.
Okay, James.
That's mine.
Well done, James. Careful, Simone.
Careful. Be careful, please.
Hey, James.
Alright.
And then just cut James's hash brown. Simone, careful, Simone. Careful, don't push the plate. Good girl. Good girl.
The toast is
Oh
hard.
dear, they're the goat. Oh yes, the goat, sorry. Oh.
I do it, James. Just wait.
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Well
Simone.
done, you're getting doing better than yesterday, Simone. So you pick up that piece of toast off the table, please. Thank you, Si.
Thank you, Kai. Thank
So
you,
now
Kai.
cut James's sausage and his chips.
No.
Just cut it, Simone. Smaller pieces, please.
No.
And put James's beans on his toast, Simone. Oh, mix them up with the toast. You like that? He has that. He has that at number 2. He has beans on toast.
It's time to go in a minute.
Yes, James. Breakfast first.
Walk back up way.
Yeah, breakfast
I'm
first.
back in my tablet.
And there's any, Simone, is there any tomato sauce?
No.
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 I'll go see if they have some.
Good boy, Si. That's very helpful, that is.
Where's Kai? They're gone.
It's gone to see if there's some tomato sauce, James. Oh, yes. Pick up.
Oh,
Thank
see me.
Thank you, seaside.
Thank you, Kai. Thank you, Kai. Thank you, Kai.
Well done, Simone. Put the beans on Miss James's toast.
I don't think he has enough beans.
Is there any tomato ketchup? Thank you very much. Ah, thank you.
Where's Kai? Where's he gone?
Baby Kai's gone to get your tomato sauce, James.
Coming back in a minute.
Thank you very much. Nice breakfast. Thank you very much.
Where's the Kai? Where's the Kai?
Yeah.
Daddy, they only have these.
Okay, bring a few. Bring a few more. Give that one to Simone. So can I have 3 tomato and two brown? Sorry, please.
No, take all of them.
Yeah. So 3 tomato, 2 brown for Daddy, please. And what you want for yourself? Nice bacon on there. You like the
Daddy, I put
bacon?
it everywhere.
Yeah, just put a little bit. Just do 1 packet everywhere. That's it. He'll ask for some more if he wants some more.
That's it.
Is that okay, James?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's wait for James now to finish his choco pops. Nice choco pops, James.
Yeah. Where's Kai?
Kai's gone to get some tomato sauce for baby Kai's breakfast. Any brown? So yeah, that's lovely. Well done. So just
There's
put.
also jam.
That's lovely. Put it there. So
Where's she haven't got to?
I think she's gone to some water. Good boy, James. Have you finished with your dish, James?
No, no.
James, let me take that dish now and I'll help you with your...
No.
Okay. Nice choco pops. Well done, Anna. You get me a water, please, Anna, please.
Huh?
Get Daddy a glass of water.
Where you going?
Water for Daddy.
What's the black currant for? That.
Yeah, I drink the black currant and the water, James.
What's this for?
And the coffee. I drink all 3.
What coffee? What?
Daddy's coffee, Daddy's juice and Daddy's water, James.
Oh. Alright.
That was my sandwich.
Well done, Simone. Very creative. You're going to cut it in half.
Yes.
Well done.
It goes to this one. We've done some more. No problem. It goes to this one. Careful.
James, can Sherma take your dish?
Or
Oh, well done, James.
cup of my drink.
And then take his dish, please, and put it over there.
Eating ni ay.
Okay.
Cup of my drink.
Yeah,
Okay, James. Give me this one.
that's it. Yeah, James, give James his new spoon, Simone, please.
This one.
There it is. It's here. Look, it's there.
This one.
Okay.
Okay, James. You eat na.
Thank you.
Nice breakfast, James.
Yeah, it's time to go in a minute.
Yeah, it's finished, James.
Look what we're finished.
Oh, Simone, look at that lovely big breakfast sandwich. Look at that. Very nice. What?
Okay, James.
Pardon me, it's me time to go in a minute.
In a minute, James.
And you get James your water, please.
I'm getting myself a water.
You get 2. Get 1 for James, Simone.
It's in my hand.
Mom, this one the glass na. Don't you get.
Mom.
I want water for myself.
Get 1 for James, please.
Here you go. Careful, Simone, careful my drink.
Yes, careful, Simone, careful.
Thank you, Simone. Thank you, Simone. Thank you, Simone. Here. No problem. Thank you. Thank you, Simone.
My pleasure, James.
It's a nut.
Simone's made a big sandwich, James. Big sandwich.
Daddy, you eat na.
And then don't walk back that way.
James, eat your sandwich. James, eat.
Then walk back that way.
Okay, James.
It's the time to go. Then walk
When
back.
time to go when you finish, James. Is that nice, James? Beans on toast with sausage.
Alright.
Do you like sausage and beans on toast, James?
Yeah.
Good boy.